Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll actually be doing a add-on to the previous video in which I showed how to configure a ipv6 server on Juniper devices. Well, in this video, I'll be showing you how to essentially disable SLAAC auto configuration if it's not desired within your environment. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive into the video. So once again, this is the exact same topology that was covered in the previous video, where the VEX-A device is acting as the DHCPv6 server. And then I have this one Windows 10 client off of VLAN 10 connected up via GE003. So if I hop on the VEX device, I'll show you the one statement that is different. Other than that, all of the configuration that you see here is exactly the same. So the only change that I made is regarding the protocol's router advertisement, and I specified a prefix. And you'll notice that when you have a prefix assigned under the router advertisement prefix section, that devices generate temporary IPv6 addresses, a SLAAC address that takes place automatically with IPv6. So I want to actually be able to show you on this video using my test Windows 10 PC, as it doesn't have an application running in the background on it that would generate a temporary IP address. But essentially, the command that you would need to put in place on the VEX device is no autonomous. So what I'll do here is I'll move into edit mode once more, and I want to type in the command set protocols router advertisement interface IRB.10, since that's the one that I'm working with. I'll go ahead and specify that prefix, and since this one's already in place, I'll just go ahead and copy this. And here I want to specify no autonomous. And before I specify that, if I just do a question mark, you'll see that this sets the don't set the autonomous flag, which means it's not going to allow this prefix to be used for SLAAC auto configuration. So devices won't be able to use this prefix to automatically configure their IPv6 address. I'll give that a commit, and that is it. And so similar to the last video, if I go over to my Windows 10 workstation and I enable this Ethernet port, I'll do an ipconfig/all, and I can see, as opposed to seeing any temporary addresses or so forth, that it only receives the IPv6 address that was put in place by that configured pool that we saw earlier. But that is the end of this video. I hope you found this video informative. If you did, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel to stay tuned for future content. As always, thanks for viewing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.